big the
which
pig
is what people buy as
Yeah,
mini
breeding.
pigs, like teacup
Yeah.
pigs.
Or breeding, huh?
But are they really teacups? No.
No.
How big is old Penny over there?
I don't know, about 5 feet tall.
He's about 200 pounds.
About 200 pounds.
People bought them because they thought they'd be little, but then they get big. What's our pig made out of? What's our pig made out of?
Cattle panels.
Cattle paddle and T-post?
Yep.
And an old gate, right? Didn't really cost nothing.
Yeah, I got a porta hut.
Got a porta hut, that did cost something.
Yeah.
How much did Penny cost?
I don't know, though.
Penny was free.
Oh, I thought she was like...
Now,
58
Penny's boyfriend, your mama's going to get Penny's boyfriend, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to show people Penny?
A lot lower than I am to her. See, I'm right here and I'm taller than her. I'm this tall. So, Penny is really shy when she moves with people. But rougher and cute pig.
Cute pig.
Yeah. This is how tall she is. She's about right at my knees.
She's right to your knee. About 200 pounds, right?
Yep.
Gentle like a dog.
Yeah.
And we've got her in our old garden. So our land out here is real gravelly, not very fertile, full of weeds. And the idea is we keep her here for a year or so. She'll root out all the nastiness, fertilize the ground real good, and then I'll come back and till it up and plow it, and this will be a good garden spot. Right? What are you doing?
Getting a porta hut.
Would that be a good playhouse?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. All right. Say bye, Penny. Bye, Penny. Even the turkey come up to see the pig. Guineas are out there. Ducks are out there. Chickens are out there. Penny's over there eating. Penny's boyfriend's a couple minutes down the road. What do you think about that, Turk? Here comes the boyfriend. Here comes the boyfriend. Kind of think he's a politician though, or Penny's a politician though, because her boyfriend's like a baby. What we got, Jenny?
We got a baby piglet.
So if the mama's Penny, should this be nickel?
Actually, I've already named him
Nickel,
Pepper.
$0.25.
No, I named him Pepper. Pepper and Penny. Pepper, black.
This is a American Guinea Hog Coon mix, right?
Yep,
It's going to be little, a couple hundred pounds,
I think so.
probably about 300 pounds.
You know more than I know about this breed.
I don't know nothing about pigs. All right, let's see what Penny thinks.
Penny's like, what is the deal?
What you think, Penny? What you think, Penny? Huh? The short snout. The short snout's supposed to mean that they don't root as much, but pigs root, so that's just gonna happen. Last year's potato crop. That's right, I'm talking about you.